In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile for finding stock footage. To get started, open the Genspark app on your mobile device and make sure you're on the main screen where you can enter a prompt. This is where everything begins, and the quality of your results will depend a lot on how clearly you describe what you're looking for. In the prompt area, type a detailed and highly descriptive request for the stock footage or visual asset you need. The goal here is to be as precise as possible. Instead of using a short phrase, try describing the scene, setting, mood, subject, lighting, camera angle, or any visual details that matter for your project. The more specific your prompt is, the better Genspark can understand the exact type of background or footage you want to find. This is especially helpful if you're creating content for a particular theme, brand, style, or editing sequence and want footage that matches smoothly. After entering your prompt, you also have the option to choose between light, standard, or ultra. These settings let you control the level of processing or depth applied to your search. If you want to move quickly, light may be useful. Standard is a solid middle ground for most searches, while ultra may be the better choice when you want more refined or higher quality results. If you're not sure which one to use, standard is usually a safe starting point. Once everything looks good, tap Submit to begin finding stock footage. Genspark will then process your prompt and return results based on the details you provided. If the footage isn't exactly what you had in mind, the best thing to do is adjust your wording and make your prompt even more specific on the next search. That's how to use Genspark AI Mobile for finding stock footage quickly and effectively.